It's about 5 in the morning and we have 2 RWBs on the road and a GT4 RS. And there are moments where I put a lot of pressure on myself to make sure that I can execute my visions to the best of my ability. So I remember taking a deep breath as we climbed to highway speed and told myself,
alright, ready? I just lost my GoPro, FYI. Yeah.
here we go.
This is so sick. Okay, so Corndog is back. Nohra is back. We have a GT4 we're bringing it with also. Game time, baby. Let's go.
Smack the window?
Just knock, knock.
I said open sesame. Yeah, open sesame right now.
see you again.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Hanging out. The usual.
Literally.
Yeah, literally. Good morning, everybody. We are doing the roll-in right now. We just parked, so we have all the RWBs here, and we're gonna start getting everything rolling. Pretty exciting, pretty exciting. So let's do it. Just a GT3 Cup car. That's cool. Nohra, of course. I'm sure.
It is already like muggy.
I know, it's gonna get hotter.
He pretty much just said like right in front of
Also, these seatbelts here, and actually one of those sideways. Do you have one that you want to put like
everyone's here. It's gonna be pretty big, it looks like. Already, there's a line of cars. So we have the RWBs already set up. The Big Boost tent is starting to come up right now, actually. What a cool moment, man. I was just telling Juan and Tyler, like, how interesting is it that the Chicago community is gonna see Corndog for the very first time, and we were there to help bring it to life. Like, that is amazing. So Kevin, enjoy the moment, and just, we're surrounded by good people. Have you seen Chicago speed bumps?
And then you turn the corner, you're like another speed hump. Right. You're like, okay, and half of it's chunked out that you're like, I can't even take that at an angle
exactly.
or hit a pothole.
You're stuck.
I don't know what happened back there, but I'm like, all I heard on the radio is, we lost them. I'm like, they're right here. I'm like, oh, they didn't turn left.
Dude, those meadows are so good, man. I love the smile. The smile is literally the moment. So that's that Promodet, and I think, we're not entirely sure, but we think it's a stroker. And the wheel, cool story, is the wheel is signed by Nakai because Fish is a risky devil, and he they were in together for the Need for Speed game.
Fish's car?
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
What's up, man?
Hey, it's good to see you.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Welcome. Welcome. It's big. And have you seen the tour of this one yet?
I have
the yellow one. So this one's cool because this is Nakai's. It is his former car before from Los Angeles.
Okay.
And so the cool part is that lip is actually movable. And so he actually riveted the ends so that when it scrapes on something, the front lip is actually a little bit higher, the fiberglass.
Yeah.
So when it actually hits, it will lift so it doesn't do anything. It's heavenly wide, so it's like super huge compared to even like Corndog or anything like that. So
Yeah, that's
wild.
a little more subtle.
Yeah, that one is noticeable. Everyone has arrived. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Photographer, yeah.
The Tot, hello. This is awesome.
So this is Checked It Out. It's an annual show that the team puts on in Chicago. In 2017, it all started with the question, wouldn't it be cool to have a Porsche event in the city? Well, the CIO team did just that, and a year after that question was asked, they put on the inaugural Checked It Out in 2018. We've had the blessing of being at the show for the last 3 years, and it's been getting better each time. They hold their roots by staying within Chicago city limits and giving back to non-for-profit organizations along the way. It's a convergence of over 400 Porsches curated and displayed as rolling art pieces. I remember my first ever CIO and impressed at how carefully everything was thought out. It turns out that the team is actually constantly figuring out how to run the show, and they've got blueprints and schematics on how to park everything. It's incredible. Turns out there's a literal architect behind the scenes for that. Checked It Out is about its community. It's built a pretty good one here, and this year's edition takes us to Old Irving Park. We are here with the RWBs and Big Boost Performance, showing Nakai-san's art to the Chicago community.
There you go.
I got a chance to connect with Quincy, an avid fan of cars in general, but an even bigger fan of Nakai-san and RWB. He wanted us to help send a message to Nakai-san.
Is there anything you want to say to Nakai?
Nakai-san, konnichiwa.
Nakai-san, konnichiwa. I really like your car. I've sat in this car before, the yellow Porsche, and I love it.
Like
a lot, right?
Cars.
A lot going on.
So many Porsches.
I love the Carrera GT.
Carrera GT is your favorite.
That's
Me
his
too,
favorite.
actually.
And what color Carrera GT is your favorite?
Fancy yellow.
Amazing. That's a good color.
Oh, you want a Corndog sticker?
Do a picture with all of you guys.
1, 2, 3.
Amazing.
This guy's super nice of you.
Yes, of course. Hey, it was a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you,
Yes,
man.
of course.
Nice to see you again.
Likewise.
Yeah, see you again.
And that is exactly what this is about. Community and inspiring the next generations. One of the most impactful things that happened to me was when I had met an owner of a 1998 Diablo SV, and he allowed me to sit in that car when I was 8 years old. And if I can pay that forward to at least one person, I'll be happy. Nakai-san and RWB as a whole actually donate regularly to charities local to where he's building, whether that be children's hospitals, cancer foundations, or even animal shelters and more. That isn't a well-known fact, as it happens a lot behind the scenes, but something I think people should know more about.
Oh yeah, do in front of Nohra.
So this is Ben Hart. He is an Italian leather maker creating artwork in pieces by hand. He had a heart transplant after suffering a cardiac arrest when he was only 26 years old, but as an artist, he recognized Nakai-san's artwork and hospitality provided to him from the RWB Chicago family. He decided to gift these awesome custom-made pieces to the team.
So Checked is ending, and I'm not really doing too much of roll out, just because it's hectic. And honestly, at the very end, where they're kind of educating a lot of people on RWB and kind of doing our usual thing, just like we did for the Chicago Auto Show. A lot of it is just kind of teaching in the moment. But people are getting out of here, like Hal. Bye, Hal. Oh, that's nice. I like that ducktail. That's pretty good. A lot of people are kind of taking off. Porsche Checked It Out is always a special event because literally all these Porsches converge and they just show up here once a year to show up like this heavy. So it's really cool to have them here. So Adam, Checked It Out team, thank you for having us again. There's a lot of cars I missed. We went up and down the aisles a couple times, and so I'm not sure what exactly made it in the feature because there's so many cars here that you probably missed something. But those are pretty cool. Those are nice wheels on those HREs.
She literally head that way.
Thanks for coming out, guys.
No, thank you for the hospitality.
We'll get together again for sure.
Oh yeah, definitely. We got all those other builds, so we're not far enough away. See you guys.
Good seeing you guys.
See you guys.
Hey, until next time, man.
Definitely.
I'll see you again soon.
No, good to see you.
See you again soon. Ooh, sorry.
Those are actually.
See you, Kev.
Hey, thanks. See you, man.
Of course, Big Boost, thank you for even having us here as well, helping you out again.
Yeah, that's why I texted him at like 2.
Oh, hey. Good. Bye. Goodbye, Big Boost. Don't worry, I love you. See ya. Nohra's engine, NDA, can't talk about it. PPC is awesome, man. I think from our perspective, the show is over. We're gonna pack up. Tiffany and I actually have a battle that we're going to. It's been an exhausting day. We haven't slept. We've been up for more than 24 hours at this point, so it's been busy. But I think that we're gonna wrap up here and go. Thank you to everybody that put this on because it was good this year, and it's always pretty good. That's what it's about. At the end of the day, it's community, you know. So anyway, see you guys. next time. Peace.